In one of the hottest and driest places on Earth, something impossible seemed to happen. Heavy stones, some weighing over 300 kilograms, were moving across the desert floor, all on their own. This strange phenomenon takes place in Death Valley, California, at a flat, dry lakebed called Racetrack Playa. Here, rocks leave long trails behind them, sometimes stretching for hundreds of meters. Yet no one ever saw them move. For decades, this became one of nature's greatest mysteries. Early explorers first noticed the tracks in the early 1900s. Naturally, people began guessing. Some blamed strong winds. Others suggested magnetic forces, underground vibrations, or even paranormal activity. But there was one big problem. The rocks were far too heavy, and the winds were far too weak to move them. Scientists tried recreating the movement in laboratories, but nothing worked. Wind alone couldn't explain it. The desert surface was too rough, and yet the stones clearly moved, sometimes even changing direction mid-path. For decades, the mystery remained unsolved. Then, in the 2000s, researchers decided to take a different approach. Instead of guessing, they installed GPS trackers, time-lapse cameras, and weather instruments directly on the rocks themselves. They waited patiently, sometimes for years, hoping to catch the stones in action. And finally, in 2013, it happened. The cameras recorded the rocks moving, slowly, silently, and naturally. The real explanation turned out to be both simple and brilliant. During rare winter nights, rainwater collects on the playa and freezes, forming thin sheets of ice around the rocks. When the sun rises, the ice begins to crack into large floating panels. At the same time, light winds push these ice sheets across the shallow water. The rocks don't slide on dry ground. They are gently pushed by ice, gliding over wet mud with very little friction. That's why the movement is slow, quiet, and almost impossible to notice in real time. No magic, no mystery forces. Just a perfect combination of ice, water, wind, and timing. Some rocks move together. Some change direction. Some don't move for years, until conditions are exactly right again. What makes this phenomenon even more fascinating is how rare it is. All the conditions must align perfectly. Shallow water, freezing temperatures, thin ice, and gentle winds. That's why it took nearly a century to finally solve the mystery. The moving rocks of Death Valley remind us of something powerful. Nature doesn't need drama to be extraordinary. Sometimes the most unbelievable phenomena happen quietly, right in front of us, waiting patiently to be understood. And now, one of the desert's strangest secrets finally has an answer.